session with me. So today we're going to focus on inquiry and technology because earlier on we did the session today on inquiry. So now let's add another aspect into that inquiry cycle, which is technology, a topic that I'm fond of and that I love talking about. So when we think about technology, the first thing that the IB always says about technology inside the classroom is that it should be used to document learning. Apart from that, it should also be used as a way to give feedback and provide reflection for our students. It should also be used to store, organize, and present learning. And lastly, it should encourage communication. So technology inside the classroom and even inside our own PYT classrooms should work hand in hand with our inquiry cycle. And as such, it is a perfect fit to what we are doing right now. So as you can see that in the inquiry cycle, the different phases actually serve a purpose and a connection to what the IB is saying and its role in technology inside the classroom. So with this in mind, a central question that I have for myself is, how can we maximize the use of technology in the inquiry cycle? Now I know that some of you have already dabbled with technology inside the classroom. Some of you have used some applications from time to time. But for today, we're also going to go deeper into that. And just like the previous session on inquiry learning, we're also going to go on to a learning journey. Now there are different activities here for you to try out. So if I go to tuning in, it will bring me to a page onto the Google site where we can try out this application. It's called Google Jamboard. So if in the early part of our inquiry on conference, we talked about about getting students to share questions and also using Padlet as an online tool. We can use Google Jamboard, which actually does the same thing. So right now I'm going to Google Jamboard. And here we have a central idea where as one of your tasks, you're supposed to come up with different questions based around the central idea. So if you'd like to try it out, all you just have to do is choose one of the icons here. You have a pen, eraser, you have your cursor, and even your sticky. You can just click the sticky and try it out. So I think, or you can even post a question. We have different resources and options for our students. And one way that I like to use the finding out and utilizing the different online sources is by creating a hyperdoc. A hyperdoc is basically a Google document where you can create all of your resources. This could be a teacher resource that we found online, or as the students continue into their finding out, they could start creating their own hyper document as well, where they add their resources, and also materials that they can use. Here we have sorting out. Sorting out, so I have just a simple resource for you to read about how we can use technology inside our PYT classrooms. And then later on, you can use Book Creator, which is on your iPad. Right now, one of your teachers shared a question, and then she wanted to know, is it possible for me to share this with other people? Yes, you can. So long as you're signed into your HCHS account, you can actually share it. So a while ago, if you're not logged in, it will say sign in. But when you're logged into your Google account, you can use share, and you can share this with your students who have an email account. Or what I did, if you see this button here, this pencil, I can simply tap on it, and I can also change whether the student can either edit it or they can view it only. So that disables the students from editing whatever's on there. Okay? So that's one application that you can use. This is Google Jamboard. Here we have Book Creator. If you want your students to create their own stories, you can use that. So just tap onto it, and then it will take you into your Book Creator. You'll have these different things that you can write on. So here we have some content that you've already created. Okay, and we have some blank pages already. So for the blank pages, you can add on to stuff by just simply pressing the plus button, and you'll be given an option to import. Let's say I'd like to import an image. We can use Google to search for an image. What's a nice image that we can use to show what we're feeling today? Let's say PYP learner. So when you click press or when you click search for PYP learner, the images that you see here are those images that don't have any copyright. So if you're going to do a Google search on PYP learner, you might come up with a different set of images, because those are images that are taken from different websites. But the ones here are those without any copyright. So I'll tap that and I'll press select. So right now it's adding onto our blank page. So there, pop up soon. And then if I tap the image, I can grab one of the corners and simply resize it as I see fit. And then I can just drag it around as well. Now if I want to add other things, I just simply have to press the plus button. For the Mandarin teachers, you also have this tool. Let's do that again. Oh, somebody's editing on that page. I'm so sorry. Adding another page. So for the Mandarin teachers, you just simply press the plus button and then click or tap pen, and you now have an option for different pen tools. So you have your pencils, calligraphy brush or just a brush, crayons, even highlighters. So let's say I use a simple pen. I set how thick or how thin it is. So now I'm drawing. So it automatically saves the drawing, and there you have it. Now if you feel that you're not too happy with it, you can simply just press undo. And there you have it. One more, if you want to add text, so a text box will be provided. And you can simply type your text already. HC, learners are the best. And there you have it. So if it's already there, just grab one of the corners to resize. If you want to change the font, just press I and you can grab the slider to enhance or to make your text bigger. You can even change the font if you want. So you have multiple options for your font, even the color as well. So there you have it. And let's go to my books. So something just before we end. Quick share, how can we use some of these tools inside the classroom or moving forward from this session? What tools are you excited to use inside your classroom? Yes, Miss?
I'm excited to use Jamboard.
Okay.
Because it's 1 week lesson to use of videos.
Yes.
You will just flash it, the question, and then the students will just add on it. So simple, and then it's more organized that way.
Yes.
So that's why I'm so excited to use it. Kasi usually in our class, we usually use sticky notes.
Yes.
And it gives, sometimes people falling down,
Yes.
like this one. Stick na siya. And then the students, and other students can also see the questions of their class.
Yes. Okay. So you get this shirt. Please wash it before you wear it. Yes, ma'am.
I'm very excited to use this book really.
Okay.
For the students wants to express to make their own stories. Because there's a title, there's a pages in this book. So they can create their own stories about what story they would like to create.
Yes.
And they can design, they can add pictures, they can add a conversation, they can do, or they can create their own what they want to do in that.
Yes, thank you. Okay, just to add for Google Jamboard, it's also a great tool to get the shy students to write their questions. If you notice that in Google Jamboard, there were no identifiers that you didn't have to put your name. So for the student who's I don't want to really know or want to remain anonymous, Google Jamboard works for them. For Book Creator, one thing that's exciting about Book Creator is you can actually publish your books online. You can have, you can link that to, let's say, Apple Books, and if it meets the criteria of Apple Books, which is you just have to provide the details of, let's say, where you work, who's the publisher, etc., etc. You can actually publish those books online, and it will be available worldwide. So if you want your students to, let's say, teach other students about Philippine mythology or Philippine features, you can use Book Creator. Yes, ma'am.
I like the book creation. I'm an art teacher and I'm just a teacher now. I think we've been sticking to traditional art. So I think it's about like
Yes.
more of the
Yes. And I think it's also great for students who are not so good with the brush, but are more, they like using their fingers better, so that's one way for them to use that. Another beautiful feature of Book Creator is that you can have the book read out loud. So for those who are having a hard time in terms of knowing the demanded teachers, how can you say this word in the correct accent or practice? Book Creator can do that. You can record your voice and share, this is how we say this word.